Hidden diesel car features you'll regret not knowing sooner. Pro tips. 95% of diesel car owners are wasting money on repairs that could have been prevented with features already built into their vehicles. One of these hidden tricks could save you over $300 in fuel system repairs alone. Before you end up paying for something that was completely avoidable, here are 7 little-known diesel car features most owners never discover. Don't skip number 1. It's a legitimate lifesaver. Let's dive in. Feature number 7. The recirculation button, your diesel's air quality shield. Ever been stuck behind another diesel during DPF regeneration, breathing in those thick clouds of black smoke? That little button on your dashboard with a car and circular arrow isn't just decoration. It's your built-in air quality defense system. That recirculation button acts like a protective barrier against outside pollution, exhaust fumes, and even the regen smoke from other diesels. With one press, your car stops drawing in contaminated air from outside and starts recycling the cleaner air already inside your cabin. But here's the kicker. It does more than protect your lungs. Using recirculation boosts your AC performance by up to 20% in extreme heat. That means faster cooling, less strain on your system, and lower repair costs. This feature is especially critical for diesel drivers who spend hours in heavy traffic, construction zones, or industrial areas. Using this button regularly extends the life of your cabin air filter by reducing the particulates it has to trap. Fewer replacements means more money in your pocket. The next time you see that recirculation symbol, remember it's your first line of defense against pollution and diesel particulates waiting right outside. Feature number 6, remote start, the diesel engine's best friend. Did you know that up to 90% of newer vehicles now include remote start capabilities, even if there's no obvious button for it? If your key fob has a circular arrow icon, you're good to go. For newer Mazda or Toyota diesels, press the lock button twice, then press and hold on in the third press. BMW diesel owners, tap lock 3 times in quick succession. Suddenly, your engine comes to life. Here's why this matters for diesel engines. Remote start isn't just convenience. It's essential for protecting your diesel engine, especially in extreme weather. In freezing temperatures, diesel fuel can gel up, and cold starts put enormous strain on your engine. By letting your diesel warm up remotely, you allow the glow plugs to do their job properly, the oil to circulate, and the engine to reach optimal temperature. This reduces wear on critical components and can literally add years to your engine's life. In scorching heat, running the AC before you climb inside reduces the thermal load on your cooling system. For diesel engines that already run hotter than gasoline engines, this pre-cooling can prevent overheating issues down the road. Check your owner's manual or search your specific model online. Your diesel might have been hiding this premium feature all along. Feature number 5, color-coded engine parts. Your DIY maintenance map. Pop your hood and take a look. Notice how some components are bright yellow or blue while others are dull gray. That's not random styling. It's a hidden maintenance code that could save you hundreds in unnecessary shop visits. Automakers use color coding to show you which parts are safe for DIY maintenance and which should be left to professionals. Those bright yellow, blue, or red caps are basically saying, you can handle this yourself. Yellow usually signals oil. Blue often stands for washer fluid or coolant. Red is typically brake fluid or transmission fluid. For diesel owners, there's one extra fluid, DEF, or diesel exhaust fluid. On most modern diesel cars, the DEF fill cap is bright blue with a clear DEF label. It's designed to be owner serviceable, meaning you can top it off yourself instead of paying a shop $50 to pour in a $12 bottle of fluid. But this color system isn't just about saving money, it's a safeguard to prevent costly mistakes. Imagine accidentally pouring engine oil into the DEF tank or putting coolant in your brake reservoir. That's thousands in repair bills. The plain black or gray components? Those are best left to professionals. Power steering reservoirs, brake systems, and other complex components. Learn these simple color codes and you'll navigate your engine bay with confidence, saving money on every unnecessary service appointment you avoid. Feature number 4, the hidden fuel cap. Holder, protect your diesel's fuel system. This one's so obvious you'll kick yourself. Next time you're filling up, take a close look at the inside of your fuel door. See that little hook or notch? It's specifically made to hold your fuel cap while you're pumping diesel. Here's why this matters for diesel owners. Letting your cap hang down, rest on your paint, or placing it on your roof can lead to dirt and debris entering your fuel system. For diesel engines, that's catastrophic. Diesel fuel systems operate at incredibly high pressures. We're talking 30,000 psi in modern common rail systems. Even a tiny speck of dirt can clog fuel injectors or damage your high-pressure fuel pump. That's not a $200 repair. That's a $3,000 to $5,000 nightmare. Almost every diesel car has this protective hook, yet about 95% of owners never use it. When contamination sneaks into your fuel system, it can wreck your fuel pump, damage sensors, and eventually cause complete engine failure. This little clip is free protection for your expensive diesel fuel system. Use it every single time you refuel. You'll never be the person chasing a cap that rolled under the car or realizing you drove off with it on the roof. For diesel owners where fuel system cleanliness is absolutely critical, this 2-second habit could save you thousands. Feature number 3, tire pressure monitoring reset. Take control. Most diesel owners know their car will alert them when tire pressure is low, but you can often reset the TPMS system yourself instead of paying a mechanic $50 just to push a button. After inflating your tires to the recommended PSI, especially important for diesel cars that tend to be heavier, many vehicles require a simple reset so the system recalibrates. For Honda diesels, hold the tire pressure button inside the glove box or under the dashboard until the light blinks 3 times. On Toyota diesels, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Then press and hold the TPMS reset button for several seconds until you hear a beep. This DIY fix saves you a trip to the shop, but proper tire pressure is even more critical for diesel vehicles because of their increased weight and torque characteristics. Underinflated tires on a diesel don't just reduce fuel economy, they increase rolling resistance, making your engine work harder, decreasing efficiency further, and accelerating tire wear. For diesel owners who pride themselves on efficiency, maintaining optimal tire pressure is non-negotiable. Knowing this simple trick means you're in control and can keep your diesel running efficiently without extra hassle. Feature number 2, drowsiness detection, your co-pilot for long hauls. If your dashboard ever flashes a coffee cup icon, it's not suggesting a Starbucks run. It's warning you that you're nodding off behind the wheel and you need to pull over immediately. Modern diesel cars feature sophisticated systems that monitor your facial expressions for signs of tiredness. Frequent blinking, droopy eyelids, head nodding. Some systems also analyze your driving patterns and alert you when they detect fatigue like lane drifting or inconsistent speed. In Subarus, the car emits a rapid beep and displays an eye icon when it senses drowsiness. Think of it as your car saying, "Hey friend, maybe pull over before you put us both in danger." According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, drowsy driving causes around 100,000 crashes, 71,000 injuries, and 150 deaths every year. These detection systems are literal lifesavers. Here's why this is especially relevant for diesel owners. Many diesel drivers choose diesel specifically for long-distance driving, highway cruising, road trips, cross-country journeys. Diesel's superior fuel economy makes it perfect for eating up miles. But those long stretches of highway can sneak up on even experienced drivers. The technology is impressive. Some systems use cameras focused on your face to spot fatigue signs, while others track subtle driving pattern changes. When your diesel car tells you it's time for coffee, it's protecting you. Pay attention to it. Feature number 1, anti-glare rear view. Mirror, the night driving game changer. That small tab at the bottom of your rear view mirror isn't decorative. Flip it when those blinding high beams behind you turn night driving into a headache, and you'll instantly understand why this feature has been around for decades. It's a brilliant use of basic physics that dramatically reduces glare and prevents temporary blindness from aggressive drivers riding your bumper. About 14% of drivers over 65 avoid night driving altogether because of headlight glare problems, even though this simple fix has been standard equipment since the 1970s. The little tab adjusts the mirror's angle, so instead of reflecting bright light directly into your eyes, It bounces it toward your car's ceiling. The mirror dims slightly, but you can still clearly see what's behind you without getting blinded. For diesel owners who often drive long distances at night, taking advantage of cooler temperatures and lighter traffic for better fuel economy, this feature is essential. Highway driving after dark is common for diesel drivers, and getting blinded by trucks or SUVs with aftermarket LED headlights is more than annoying. It's dangerous. Newer diesel vehicles with auto-dimming mirrors take this further. These mirrors use special electrochromic gel that automatically darkens when sensors detect bright lights behind you. No manual flipping required. If you've been avoiding night drives because of glare, this simple feature can completely change your driving experience. Conclusion. That wraps up our list of 7 hidden diesel car features that every owner should know about. These aren't just cool tricks. They're money savers, safety features, and engine protectors that most people completely overlook. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment below and let me know which ones surprised you most. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button for more diesel-specific tips and honest automotive content. Remember, being a smart diesel owner means knowing features that most people don't. Use these wisely, and you'll save thousands while keeping your diesel running strong for years to come. Catch you in the next one, and happy dieseling!